Welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned Big Kahuna 5-bedroom 4-bath is in our 2307 building. It consists of our air-conditioned Oceanview 3-bedroom 2-bath, which is located upstairs, together with our air-conditioned Aloha 2-bedroom 2-bath, which is downstairs. Parking for the air-conditioned Big Kahuna is in any one of the 6 gravel parking places here in front of the building. Those of you staying in the Oceanview will want to continue on up the stairs and look for your keys in a sealed envelope with your name on it in a box by the front door. For those of you staying downstairs in the Aloha 2-bedroom 2-bath, your keys will be in a sealed envelope with your name on it also by the front door. For more information, please see our website at www.hideawaycove.com. Click on Accommodations and Rates, and at the top of the page you'll find a lot of useful information, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. Scroll down for more detailed information on our air-conditioned Big Kahuna 5-bedroom 4-bath. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com or call on our toll-free line at 866-849-2426.